Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you guys how to make aloe vera and shea butter oil. Aloe vera oil offers you a more natural protection from hard water. It also helps your hair to repair from the within. Aloe vera oil also helps to boost the growth of your hair. Like if you're having an unhealthy growth, then you need aloe vera oil to help you grow your hair. Let's get into the preparation. So I am going to be using this one is very big. This one is very big. I could not find aloe vera in the shops here. This one I got it from a friend's farm, but there are some of you guys that have this in your farm. Some people also can get it from a local shop nearest to them. So I am going to start first of all by removing the sharp ends. These sharp ends, you've got to be very careful so you don't get injured. I've already washed this aloe vera. I've washed it. So before you use your own, make sure that it is very well washed. Like I said, you must be very careful so you don't injure yourself. You chop it into cubes. So guys, I will have to start with my shea butter. This is my shea butter. I'm sure you all know the importance of shea butter to hair. You know how good shea butter is to hair. Shea butter helps your hair to moisturize. It also protects your hair from sunlight. It protects your hair and also your scalp from damages. So guys, let's just go into the process. So guys, because I don't have a measurement cup, I am going to use this plastic, this size, to measure my olive oil. I will measure 1 cup. This is 1 cup of extra virgin oil. I add it. Then you allow it to heat. Then you add your aloe vera. Color will change before you know that it is ready. You can use coconut oil. I'm just using shea butter because I want to teach you guys how to prepare this with shea butter, but you can still use coconut oil in place of shea butter. It is still allowed and it will give you the same result. As you can see, the color has started to change. It has started to change color. It's no longer the green that we used to know. It's no longer as green as it was. I am going to allow it now to cool down. I'm going to leave it for some time to cool down and I'll be back. So guys, it has cooled down now. I'm going to drain it. Guys, I'm sure you know the importance of lemon to your natural hair. It also provides vitamins for your hair because lemon is very rich in vitamin C. So it helps your hair and also provide vitamin C for your hair. Lemon is naturally acidic. So in that regard, it helps to deeply cleanse your scalp, restore pH level of your hair, and also clean your hair follicles. Lemon also helps to remove buildups and oils or pollutants from your hair. Lemon can also help you to reduce dandruff. It serves as a form of anti-dandruff. It also helps you to remove dormant follicles from your hair. So right now I am going to cut my lemon. My aloe vera oil. Then I am going to go on now to add my lemon. So guys, here is the final result. This is my aloe vera shea butter oil with lemon. Can you see it? So if you want your hair to grow very strong, if you want to remove dandruff, if you want your hair to grow massively and fast, you also want your hair to grow healthy, then you need to apply this combination. You need to grow a healthy hair with this combination. This is very good for your hair and it's all natural. No chemical, everything is natural. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, go on ahead, click on that subscribe button, turn on your bell notification so you will get the alert of my videos whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much and I will see you guys in my next videos.